Hey guys, so having some strange road noise from the left tire here whenever I drive. I do have a little bit of an alignment problem, pulls a little bit to the right, so I'll get that looked at. But just got my wheel, the bearing hub replaced, but I still hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, both on the brake and acceleration. Here, I'm gonna stop talking here, but straight road. Right there. It doesn't get louder or anything with speed. Obviously, just it just gets faster. So it starts out as a womp womp, but with speed, it just gets faster.